traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to swing trade. All right, because as a swing trader you use the higher time frame to do your analysis while you move down to the 4 hour to take your trade. So I'm going to show you how I swing trade from the higher time analysis to the 4 hour time frame of for entries. So stick with me. Let me show you how I do my analysis and how I take my trade. All right, so let's dive into the chart. So as you can see, I have my card CHF at this moment. I am on the monthly time frame. So what I'm seeing on the monthly time frame is what? Bearish, right? So everything is bearish. So the only thing I'm going to be looking out in this particular pair is selling opportunity. Okay, so as long as I'm going to be looking for selling opportunity, I am not going to be looking for a buy opportunity because I am not going to be trading against the trend. So the only thing I'm going to stick with is what? Selling. Okay, so this is my higher time frame now. I understand that my higher time frame is what? Bearish. So I'm going to move to the lower time frame, which is the weekly, to plot my key level. But sometimes I do use monthly to plot my key level. So I'm just going to use the weekly to plot my key level at this particular moment. Okay. So for example, now this is a key level on this zone, and we also have one here, and we also have one here. Okay. So so then we also have one here, but let me just use these three. Okay. So now I'm going to move down to the daily time frame to see what is going on this card CHF. So on the daily time frame, I will move down to the daily time frame. Then as you can see, this is what a key level, as I said before, on the daily time frame. This zone, we have this zone here, we have this zone here, then we have this down one, this zone here. So let me just use here. All right, remember we are going to be looking for what? A selling opportunity. I am not going to be what? Buying, because we are on the downtrend from the monthly time frame. Okay, so as long as I have my key level, the only thing I'm going to be looking out on the 4 hour time frame is what? A double top on the 4 hour time frame on this card CHF. So let's say, for example, our current trade is around this place. Okay, we don't have this met down. So let me say here is our current trade. We have our current trade here. So now I'm going to move down to the 4 hour time frame to show you something what I look at before placing this trade. So on the 4 hour time frame, we have this. So I have to adjust my key level now. So my key level will be here. So the reason why I'm choosing this zone is because we have this here. All right, we have this key, we have this, then we have another one here, then we have what? Another one here. We have what? Another one here. So now what I'm going to look at, so if you watch to your left hand side, you will discover that we also have multiple touches. So if we go back to history, you'll see them there. So currently I'm going to be looking for what? A double top and what? A key level for my entry. So now I have a double top already, which is on this level. So first and foremost, this is the first leg then that was established. and we have the second one that is currently at this point. We are not looking at this place, we are looking at what? This double top. So if I have to trade this will be a great opportunity for me for entry. After this push, then we have what? Engulfing candle, which is signaling reversal. So my stop loss will be here. Then my take profit will be at the last low before the pull, before a breakout will happen. So as you can see, we have what? One is to what? 6, which is almost 7%. So imagine that you caught this kind of swing trading. So how long will it take? Just 1 week from your entry, which is from a Monday, then you take profit on Friday. So that is 5 days as a swing trader. So this is a great opportunity for you if you are a swing trader. So the only thing you need to be looking at is for you to stay active. Look at the higher time frame, scale down to weekly, daily, the 4 hour for your entry. All right. So this is for CAD CHF. So let me still show you another example on the CHF JPY. So for CHF JPY, we are going to do what? Our analysis from the higher time frame. So as you can see, we have what? A push to the what? Upside, which is signaling that we are what? On a bullish movement, right? So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to plot my key level on the weekly time frame to see what is going on. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, we have a break of structure here. Then we have this, and currently we have this. Then you can still say we have this. Okay, so we have our key level in place now. So let's move down to the daily time frame and see what we are going to be looking at before placing our trade. So we are on the weekly time frame now. Now on the daily time frame, what I'm going to do, I will plot my key level again. I have one here. Okay, then I have another one here. That is break of structure. So the only thing I'm going to be doing now, I will move down to my 4 hour time frame to look for a position, an opportunity to buy. So remember, the only thing I'm going to be doing on the lower time frame, which is the 4 hour, is what? Double bottom. We are on what? On uptrend. So as long as we are in an uptrend, I'm going to be buying, and the only thing I'm going to be looking at is what? The double bottom. While on the downtrend, if I'm looking to sell, I will be looking for what? A double top. Okay, so now let's move down to the 4 hour time frame for our entry. So when you move to the 4 hour time frame for entry, this is what you find. Remember, we are paying attention to only this. Okay, now we have a key level here, and we have what? First leg and what? Second leg. So guess what? If I'm going to be buying, as long as I have my first leg and the second leg, then I will place my what? Buy position after this hammer. Okay, so now let's place this trade. After the hammer, we have this here. Then my stop loss will be what? Below this. Okay, then my take profit will be what? Here. So which is, let's say, 3%. Okay, which is what? 3%. So this is an uptrend. Then pull back, we have a double bottom, then 3%. Place my trade, then 3%. And also we have similar something here, so which is also a double bottom here. We have what? Our first leg, one, and we have what? Second one here. Okay, then our stop loss will be what? Below this. Then you move your risk reward ratio will be what? 3%. You choose 3%. So if you are trading only this card CHF that means you have what? Two position on a buy level. So let's say for example you buy here, you take your 3%, then price moves back to that same region and create a double bottom, then you place again, you have another what? 3%. Okay, so this is for people that are into swing. If you are a swing trader, if you like this video or if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, follow me, comment your thoughts, then I will reply you. Thank you. See you in my next what video.